The long-awaited B-21 stealth bomber has finally been made public, and it will have a major impact. The B-21 is positioned to revolutionize long-range strike operations thanks to its cutting-edge stealth technology, long-range capabilities, and cutting-edge sensors and weaponry. Stay tuned to find out more about this revolutionary aircraft and how it might affect combat in the future. The B-21 stealth bomber is the newest weapon in the inventory of the U.S. Air Force and is anticipated to be among the most technologically sophisticated aircraft of its class. The B-21 is a long-range strike aircraft with cutting-edge technology that almost makes it invisible to radar. It is designed to do such missions. The B-21 is a long-range, heavy payload aircraft with a low radar signature that can operate in conventional and nuclear combat scenarios while traveling at fast subsonic speeds. Its sophisticated stealth technology, which makes it challenging for radar systems to detect, contributes to its ability to fly undetected. With its array of sensors and weaponry, the aircraft can carry out a wide range of tasks, such as close air support, precise strikes, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. With the ability to transport both conventional and nuclear bombs, the B-21's payload capacity is equally remarkable. A notable accomplishment for the U.S. Air Force, the B-21 has been under development for a number of years. The aircraft will replace the outdated B-1 Lancer and B-2 Spirit bombers when it enters service in the middle of the 21st century. The B-21 stealth bomber will provide the U.S. Air Force with a substantial advantage over its rivals, thanks to its cutting-edge technologies and superior capabilities. One of the distinguishing qualities of the B-21 is its stealth technology, which makes it challenging for radar systems to pick it up. The plane is built with a low radar cross-section, so when viewed on a radar screen, it looks like a small object. Due to this, it is challenging for adversary radar systems to identify and follow the aircraft's movements. The B-21 uses a number of stealth technologies to achieve its low radar cross-section, including a sharply swept flying wing design, improved coatings, and a reduced heat signature. By reducing the aircraft's radar signature, these qualities make it more difficult for hostile radar systems to detect it. Its sophisticated avionics and sensor suite is another important aspect of the B-21. With its array of sensors and weaponry, the aircraft can carry out a wide range of tasks such as close air support, precise strikes, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. A cutting-edge radar system that can locate and follow ground targets over great distances is part of the sensor package aboard the B-21. Additionally, the aircraft is furnished with a wide range of electro-optical and infrared sensors that can be employed for target recognition and tracking. The B-21 has a number of weaponry, including precision-guided bombs and missiles, in addition to its sensors. The aircraft can carry both conventional and nuclear bombs, which adds to its outstanding payload capacity. The B-21's long-range capabilities are one of its main benefits. The plane is built to be able to travel great distances without refueling while in the air. Since it can reach distant targets inside hostile territory without the use of intermediary bases, it makes for an excellent platform for long-range strike missions. Additionally, the B-21 is built to function in nuclear and conventional warfare settings. The airplane is a key element of the U.S. nuclear deterrent strategy due to its capacity to transport nuclear warheads. Additionally, due to its conventional strike capabilities, it is a useful instrument for carrying out pinpoint attacks on adversary objectives. The B-21's design has dramatically swept flying wings, which significantly increases its aerodynamic efficiency. The aircraft is also fitted with cutting-edge engines that give it the power it needs to operate at high subsonic speeds. Modern avionics and displays in the B-21's cockpit, which gives the pilots all the data they require to fly the plane safely, make it another highly sophisticated aircraft. With a focus on minimizing pilot workload and enhancing situational awareness, the cockpit is extremely ergonomically constructed. The B-21 program has long been a secret because of the secrecy surrounding its development. Since the program's original announcement in 2015, information regarding the aircraft has been kept under lock and key. Nevertheless, the public has just received some information concerning the B-21. The United States Air Force declared in 2019 that Ellsworth Air Force Base in South Dakota would be the best option for the B-21's primary operating base, which was one of the most important B-21 related announcements ever made. The first operational B-21 squadron will be stationed at the site, and work on the facilities needed to sustain the aircraft has already begun. During its development, the B-21 program has also encountered several difficulties. The program's cost management has been one of the greatest obstacles. The B-21 program is anticipated to cost tens of billions of dollars, hence the U.S. Air Force has made cost management a primary focus. The program's timeline management has been another difficulty. The B-21 has taken longer to develop and construct than expected, since it is an exceedingly complicated aircraft. Nevertheless, despite these difficulties, the United States Air Force is still dedicated to the project and is certain that the B-21 will be a very capable aircraft for long-range attack operations. The B-21's capacity to change course in response to evolving threats is another significant benefit. Because it was built using a modular method, the aircraft is easily adaptable to new sensors and weaponry as they become available. In spite of the emergence of new threats, this will guarantee that the B-21 platform continues to be very effective for many years to come. The B-21's capability to carry out electronic warfare operations is one area where it is anticipated to excel. The aircraft will be an invaluable asset in any future fight thanks to its sophisticated sensors and jamming devices, which will enable it to interfere with enemy communications and radar systems. The B-21 can carry a large variety of conventional and nuclear missiles in addition to its electronic warfare capabilities. It will be able to execute precise preemptive strikes against hostile targets because of its ability to hit targets at a distance with great accuracy. A few questions are also raised by the B-21's deployment, though. Concerns about the aircraft's ability to upset the strategic equilibrium between the U.S. and its adversaries are among the key ones. Due to the B-21's sophisticated capabilities, new arms races could break out if other nations create their own sophisticated weaponry. The B-21's possible employment in offensive operations against other nations is a further worry. The B-21 could potentially be employed in offensive operations in the future, despite the United States' insistence that it will be primarily utilized for defensive purposes. The U.S. Air Force has highlighted that the B-21 is a crucial tool for preserving national security despite these worries. The aircraft will be essential in preventing potential enemies and guaranteeing that the U.S. can efficiently counter any upcoming threats. It is anticipated that the B-21's deployment will have a significant impact on the American military. Due to the aircraft's sophisticated capabilities, the United States will have a big advantage over its competitors, and its capacity for long-range strikes will allow it more flexibility in how it may react to threats. The B-21's use, nevertheless, also serves as a reminder of how crucial it is to spend money on cutting-edge equipment. For the United States to keep its military edge as fresh threats materialize, it will be crucial to carry on developing cutting-edge weaponry like the B-21. The deployment of the B-21 emphasizes how critical it is to make investments in cutting-edge technology and capabilities in order to preserve a military edge as we look to the future. It's vital to keep in mind that the United States Air Force is dedicated to employing the B-21 for defensive objectives, despite worries that it could upset the strategic balance. The B-21 is ultimately a vital instrument for maintaining national security and thwarting potential attackers. The B-21 is a significant component of the American military's arsenal and will remain so for a very long time due to its cutting-edge capabilities and agility. The requirement to preserve stealth capabilities while also expanding the aircraft's payload and range has been one of the B-21 program's toughest concerns. To improve the aircraft's stealth characteristics, this called for the employment of cutting-edge materials and manufacturing processes, as well as the creation of cutting-edge sensors and other technology. Finding the right balance between cost and capabilities has been another difficulty for the B-21 development. The United States Air Force had to make the B-21 a highly effective platform for carrying out long-range attack missions while working within strict financial limits. To do this, the Air Force has employed a variety of creative cost-cutting techniques, including integrating commercially available technologies into the design of the aircraft and utilizing digital engineering tools to accelerate the design and manufacturing process. The B-21 development has advanced significantly recently despite these obstacles. The Air Force declared in 2021 that the B-21's critical design review, a significant development step, had been accomplished. In conclusion, the B-21 stealth bomber's introduction represents a crucial turning point in the development of military aircraft. The B-21 is one of the best aircraft for carrying out long-range strike missions, thanks to its outstanding stealth technology, long-range capability, and advanced sensors and armaments. The B-21 program has had its share of difficulties, but the United States Air Force is still dedicated to it and is convinced that it will prove to be a highly efficient tool for carrying out long-range attack missions in both conventional and nuclear warfare scenarios. If you liked learning about the B-21 stealth bomber and want to keep up with the newest advancements in military technology, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth videos like this one.